What is your money personality type? Hi there, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we are going to help you determine which money personality you have. So if you want to know yours, then keep on watching. Your reaction to money, like practically everything else in life, is heavily influenced by your personality. But have you given any attention to how you act with your money? Also, how it affects your bottom line? Understanding your financial personality is the first step in shaping your approach to spending, saving, and investing. The 5 money personality types. Money-related personality characteristics can be categorized into distinct groupings. This topic has been studied in several ways, and many people may relate to these money personality traits. The goal is to identify the category that best suits your behavior. Big spenders, savers, consumers, borrowers, and investors are the most common profiles. Big spenders. Big spenders enjoy good automobiles, new technology, and designer apparel. People with a spending personality type aren't usually bargain hunters. They are stylish and always wanting to make a statement. This frequently translates into a need for the latest and greatest mobile phone, the largest 4K television, and a gorgeous residence. Big spenders are the Joneses when it comes to keeping up with the Joneses. They are at ease with their money, have little fear of debt, and frequently take enormous chances when investing. Well, these people technically are the rich and opulent. They have so much money in their sleeves that luxury becomes a plain necessity. Savers. Big spenders are the polar opposite of savers. They switch off the lights when they leave the room, immediately close the refrigerator door to keep the cold in, shop only when necessary, and rarely use credit cards. They usually have no debts and may be considered cheapskates. Savers aren't interested in keeping up with the current trends, and they get more joy from seeing the interest on their bank statements than from buying anything new. Savers are naturally conservative and do not take large risks with their assets. The compulsive saver. You save money indefinitely, sometimes with no clear ultimate objective in sight. You believe that the only way to feel more secure in life is to save money. You're really thrifty. Friends will frequently seek your opinion on which phone provider is the cheapest, which reward cards are worthwhile, and when to get the cheapest plane tickets. Some compulsive savers are so frightened of losing money that they live their whole lives without spending any of the money they worked so hard to accumulate. For example, individuals may opt to forego hobbies or activities that may provide them with satisfaction and meaning. Shoppers. Spending money provides shoppers with a lot of emotional joy. They can't stop themselves from spending money, even if it's on things they don't need. They are typically aware of their addiction and are worried about the debt it causes. They seek out discounts and rejoice when they discover them. When it comes to investing, shoppers vary. Some people contribute regularly through 401k plans and may even invest a share of any unexpected windfalls, while others put off investing until later. The compulsive shopper. You have a habit of spending money on items you don't necessarily require. You have an extroverted nature and enjoy treating others to something exceptional for no apparent reason. When you're in emotional pain, your only option is to spend, especially if you want instant satisfaction. Even if they are deeply in debt, compulsive spenders will frequently embark on purchasing sprees. They may even attempt to conceal major purchases from friends and relatives. In severe circumstances, people may face bankruptcy if they continuously spend more than they make. Debtors. Debtors do not shop to entertain or cheer themselves up, nor do they strive to make a statement with their purchases. They simply don't spend much time thinking about money and, as a result, don't keep track of what they spend and where they spend it. Debtors often spend more than they make and are severely in debt, with little care given to investment. Similarly, people frequently overlook the corporate match in their 401k plans. Investors. Investors are very aware of their financial situation. They are aware of their financial status and attempt to put their money to work. Regardless of their current financial situation, investors hope for the day when passive assets will provide enough income to meet all of their expenses. Their activities are motivated by deliberate decision-making, and their investments reflect the necessity to accept some risk in order to achieve their objectives. The Compulsive Investor. You feel that money is the key to happiness. You devote the majority of your focus to making as much money as possible. You like receiving praise and acclaim from others for your financial accomplishment. While compulsive moneymakers are often on a good road to financial freedom, they might enter a perilous place if they begin to prioritize expanding their fortune above crucial relationships. For example, choosing to work on weekends over spending time with loved ones. Make these changes to your money personality. Once you've determined which of these personality types best represents you, it's time to explore what you can do to make the most of what you have. Small modifications may frequently produce enormous benefits. Spenders. Shop a little less and save a little more. If you enjoy spending, you will most likely continue to do so, but you should look for long-term value rather than short-term happiness. Before you spend money on anything costly or trendy, consider how much it will matter to you in a year maybe. Skip it if the answer is not much. You can try to limit your spending in this manner to items you'll truly utilize. When you direct your efforts on saving, you have another chance to consider the long term. Instead of high-risk, quick-win scenarios, go for moderate and steady rewards. Consider the benefits of slowing back if you truly want to push yourself. Savers. Use moderation. Moderation in all things, as Ben Franklin famously said. This is very helpful advice for a saver. Don't miss out on all of life's pleasures only to save a few cents. Improve your savings efforts as well. While avoiding risk is the primary aim of each investor, decreasing risk while increasing return is the key to investment success. Shoppers. Don't spend money you do not have. Taking control of their credit cards is a vital step for buyers. Unchecked credit card interest may wreak havoc on your finances, so consider twice before you spend, especially if the transaction requires the use of a credit card. Concentrate your efforts on saving the money you have. Learn the concept of great savings strategies and try to incorporate some of those ideas into your own. If you spend to compensate for other parts of your life that you feel are missing, consider what they could be and work on correcting them. Debtors. Plan your finances and start investing. If you are a debtor, you must organize your finances and create a strategy to begin investing. You might not be able to accomplish it alone, so enlisting assistance is generally a smart option. Choosing an investment expert to guide your money is a big decision, so do your research. Investors. Keep up the good work. Congratulations! Financially speaking, you're doing great. Keep doing what you're doing and continue to educate yourself. Money personality traits are seldom one size fits all, and people may have overlapping features when it comes to handling their funds. While you may not be able to change your money personality, you can recognize it and solve the financial issues it brings. Money management necessitates self-awareness. Understanding where you stand allows you to alter your behavior to better attain your financial and life objectives. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.